Becoming a self-made millionaire is a goal many people have, but it can seem complicated and elusive. Although it's not an easy path, with the right attitude and strategies, it is definitely possible. The best way to become a self-made millionaire is through owning and running a successful business. Starting and growing a profitable business can help you build wealth faster. When you own a business, you control your financial future and have the opportunity to earn a lot of money. However, running a business is not easy. It requires hard work, careful planning, and a willingness to take risks. Those who manage to build and expand their businesses successfully often find themselves quickly on the path to wealth. This journey not only leads to financial freedom, but also allows you to make a positive impact on the world. I'm going to outline 10 key steps to help you become a millionaire in your lifetime. These steps are meant to create a solid foundation for long-term success, not just achieving a financial goal. I will explain each step in detail so you can understand and use them effectively to reach your financial aspirations. 1. Decide to become a multimillionaire. The very first step in your journey to becoming a millionaire is to set a high, ambitious goal. Instead of simply aiming to become a millionaire, set your sights on becoming a multimillionaire. This might sound like an exaggeration, but aiming higher is crucial. Many people fail to achieve their goals because they set them too low. For example, if your goal is only to reach $1 million, you may find yourself falling short of your potential. On the other hand, if you aim for $10 or even $20 million, you'll push yourself harder and accomplish more. I made the mistake early in my career of setting goals that were too modest. I thought that hitting a $1 million target was enough. However, as I grew, I realized that this limited my potential. Setting higher goals not only provides you with a bigger vision, but also drives you to take more significant actions. Don't be afraid to dream big and aim for multi-millions. This mindset shift is essential for long-term success. 2. Stop all poverty behaviors. Poverty is as much a state of mind as it is a financial condition. Even individuals with significant wealth can sometimes exhibit behaviors that reflect a poverty mindset. These behaviors can include extreme frugality, fear of spending, or a lack of investment in opportunities that could lead to growth. To overcome these limitations, you need to identify and eliminate these poverty behaviors from your life. Start by creating a comprehensive list of actions and habits associated with poverty. These might include excessive spending on non-essential items that provide short-term pleasure but no long-term value, reliance on government assistance or other forms of external aid instead of finding ways to generate your own income, a victim mentality that focuses on blaming external factors for your financial situation rather than taking responsibility and making positive changes, avoidance of networking and building relationships that could open up new opportunities, a tendency to avoid risk and avoid investing in ventures that could lead to growth. Once you've identified these behaviors, make a commitment to change them. Replace them with habits that reflect a mindset of growth and opportunity. For example, instead of spending money on unnecessary luxuries, invest in opportunities that can generate future income. This shift in mindset will help you build and sustain wealth over time. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful and want more content like this, comment more below. Let's keep going. 3. Study 2 multimillionaires in depth. Instead of trying to learn from a large number of successful people, focus on studying just 2 multimillionaires in depth. These individuals have demonstrated the ability to accumulate and maintain substantial wealth, and their strategies can offer valuable insights. By concentrating on just 2 people, you can gain a deeper understanding of their practices and disciplines. It's more beneficial to study these individuals thoroughly rather than skimming the surface of many different approaches. Spend time learning about their success strategies, business models, and personal habits. If possible, try to spend time with these successful individuals. For instance, attending a workshop or conference where you can interact with them directly can provide invaluable learning experiences. Focus on learning from these 2 multimillionaires about their daily routines, decision-making processes, and how they handle challenges. Their experiences and advice will be more beneficial if you dive deep into their methods, rather than getting superficial insights from many different sources. This focused learning approach will give you practical knowledge that you can apply to your own financial journey. 4. Embrace hard work and long hours. One of the biggest misconceptions about achieving financial success is that it comes with ease. In reality, becoming a multimillionaire often requires an extraordinary level of hard work. Successful people frequently work long hours, sometimes up to 100 hours a week. This intense work ethic is a crucial element in reaching and maintaining substantial wealth. Don't expect that reaching millionaire status will allow you to take it easy. Instead, be prepared to work even harder to achieve and sustain your goals. Shift your mindset from a traditional 9-to-5 job to a more flexible and demanding 5-to-9 approach. This means dedicating yourself to working beyond the standard work hours and being willing to put in extra effort when needed. Understand that hard work is not just about putting in long hours, it's also about working smart. Prioritize tasks that drive your financial growth and focus on high-impact activities. Embracing a strong work ethic and maintaining a high level of commitment will help you achieve and sustain your financial goals. 5. Shift from spending to investing. A significant mindset shift you need to make is from spending money to investing it. When you handle money, focus on using it to create opportunities for growth rather than spending it on immediate pleasures. Investing involves putting your money into assets or ventures that can generate returns over time. For example, if you have the choice between spending $1,000 on a luxury item or investing that amount in a business opportunity or asset that could yield income, choose the latter. Prioritize investments that can offer long-term financial benefits. This could include investing in real estate, stocks, or starting a new business venture. Additionally, consider how you can invest in activities that provide personal or professional growth. For instance, spending money on education, skill development, or networking opportunities can lead to greater financial success in the long run. Shifting your focus from spending to investing will help you build and grow your wealth over time. 6. Create multiple streams of income. Building substantial wealth often involves having multiple sources of income. Many successful millionaires have around 7 different income streams, while those with even greater wealth may have dozens or more. Diversifying your income sources is essential for financial stability and growth. Start by focusing on your primary job or business, and look for ways to add value and generate additional revenue. For example, instead of asking for a salary increase, seek opportunities for bonuses or performance-based incentives. Next, explore side ventures or investments that can provide additional income outside of your primary job. This could include investing in real estate, starting a side business, or engaging in freelance work. Diversifying your income sources ensures that you have multiple revenue streams to rely on, which can help protect you from financial setbacks. By creating several income streams, you'll be better positioned to grow your wealth and achieve long-term financial success. Thanks for watching so far. We appreciate your support and hope you're finding this content valuable. If you're enjoying the video, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the like button. Your feedback helps us know we're making a difference and motivates us to keep creating more great content for you. Okay, let's continue now. 7. Expand your network. Your network plays a crucial role in your financial success. The saying, "Your network is your net worth," holds true because the people you know can significantly impact your opportunities and growth. One of the biggest mistakes I made early in my career was staying within my comfort zone and limiting my network to familiar faces. To grow and succeed, you need to expand your network beyond your existing connections. Invest in opportunities to meet new people by attending conferences, summits, and masterminds. These events provide valuable chances to connect with individuals who can offer new perspectives, insights, and opportunities. Networking with a broader group of people allows you to collaborate and learn from others who have different experiences and expertise. Don't limit yourself to interacting with the people you already know. Seek out new connections and build relationships that can contribute to your growth and success. Expanding your network will open up new possibilities and help you achieve your financial goals. 8. Never lose money. A fundamental principle of successful investing is to avoid losing money. This approach has been a cornerstone of my investment strategy for many years. Warren Buffett emphasizes this principle by stating that the first rule of investing is to never lose money. The second rule is to never forget the first rule. To protect your wealth, focus on investments that have a low risk of loss. Invest in areas where you have a high degree of confidence and where the potential for growth is significant. For example, investing in yourself, your business, and real estate are generally considered low-risk investments that can offer substantial returns. Investing in yourself involves enhancing your skills and knowledge, which cannot be taken away from you. Investing in your business includes strategies to grow and improve your company, such as marketing and expanding your operations. Real estate can be a reliable investment if chosen wisely, as it can provide steady income and appreciate over time. By focusing on investments with a low risk of loss, you can safeguard your wealth and build a solid financial foundation for the future. 9. Make hard decisions quickly. One of the traits of successful people is their ability to make tough decisions swiftly. When faced with challenging situations, making quick decisions is essential for maintaining momentum and navigating obstacles effectively. Procrastination can lead to missed opportunities and increased difficulties. Develop the ability to make difficult decisions without hesitation. This may involve making choices that are uncomfortable or unpopular, but it's crucial for achieving financial success. Successful individuals are often misunderstood because they make decisions that others may not fully understand or agree with. When faced with tough choices, act decisively and confidently. This approach will help you overcome challenges and keep moving toward your goals. Remember, making hard decisions quickly is a key factor in achieving and maintaining financial success. 10. Never quit. Persistence is a vital component of financial success. Successful individuals don't stop once they reach their goals. Instead, they continually set new targets and strive to achieve them. Even when faced with setbacks, they recalibrate their strategies and keep moving forward. Understand that setbacks are a natural part of the journey to success. Use them as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as reasons to give up. Keep your focus on your long-term goals and remain committed to achieving them. The determination to never quit will help you overcome obstacles and continue progressing toward your financial objectives. Successful individuals understand that the path to wealth is rarely smooth. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but it's how you respond to them that matters most. Instead of letting obstacles deter you, use them as learning experiences to refine your approach and strengthen your resolve. When you encounter difficulties, reassess your strategies and adapt as necessary. Persistence means staying focused on your goals despite setbacks and continuously pushing forward. It's about resetting your targets and recalibrating your methods without losing sight of your ultimate objectives. The journey to financial success is ongoing, and the most successful people are those who keep pushing forward, no matter the obstacles they face. Remember, your goals will evolve as you progress. The key is to remain flexible and resilient. Each challenge presents an opportunity for growth and improvement. By maintaining a never-quit attitude, you will be better equipped to handle the ups and downs of your financial journey and achieve lasting success. Additional insights and strategies. In addition to the 10 core steps, here are some supplementary strategies to further enhance your path to becoming a multimillionaire. Invest in continuous learning. The world of finance and business is constantly evolving. To stay ahead, invest in continuous learning. This includes reading books, attending seminars, and staying updated on industry trends. Knowledge is a powerful tool that can help you make informed decisions and identify new opportunities. Commit to lifelong learning and adapt your strategies based on the latest information and best practices. Build and maintain discipline. Financial success requires discipline. Develop and maintain strong habits related to saving, investing, and managing your finances. Create a budget and stick to it. Set specific financial goals and track your progress regularly. Discipline in financial management will help you avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on activities that contribute to wealth accumulation. Leverage technology and tools. Utilize technology and financial tools to streamline your financial management and investment strategies. There are numerous apps and platforms available that can help you track expenses, manage investments, and analyze financial data. Embrace these tools to enhance your efficiency and make more informed decisions. Seek professional advice. While learning from successful individuals is valuable, seeking professional financial advice can provide additional insights and guidance. Financial advisors, accountants, and investment professionals can offer expertise and help you navigate complex financial decisions. Surround yourself with a team of professionals who can support your financial goals and provide valuable advice. Focus on health and well-being. Financial success is closely linked to personal well-being. Prioritize your health and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Physical and mental well-being contribute to productivity, focus, and overall effectiveness. Investing in your health will enable you to perform at your best and sustain long-term success. Give back and contribute. As you achieve financial success, consider giving back to your community and contributing to causes you care about. Philanthropy not only helps those in need, but also enriches your own life and reinforces a positive legacy. Giving back can provide a sense of fulfillment and purpose beyond financial achievements. Build a strong personal brand. Developing a strong personal brand can enhance your credibility and open up new opportunities. Your personal brand reflects your values, expertise, and achievements. Focus on building a reputation for integrity, excellence, and reliability. A strong personal brand can attract valuable connections and opportunities for collaboration. Becoming a multimillionaire is an ambitious goal, but with the right mindset, strategies, and dedication, it is achievable. By following these 10 steps and incorporating additional strategies for success, you'll be well equipped to build and sustain substantial wealth. Remember that the journey to financial success is ongoing and requires continuous effort, adaptability, and resilience. Implement these strategies with determination and a willingness to learn and grow. Your commitment to these principles will set you on a path to achieving not just millionaire status, but multi-millionaire success. Keep pushing forward, stay focused on your goals, and never quit. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. For more informative content on finance, entrepreneurship, and self-improvement, subscribe to our Voice of Wealth channel. We post new videos every other day to help you succeed in various aspects of life. Have a great day and see you in the next one.